Hi, today I'm going to show you a very easy technique in embellishing your art print or photographic print with clear gel gloss medium. This is an acrylic product and it's very easy to apply to the surface of an art print, giclée print, or a photographic print. And what it does is it gives it a high-end gallery look. It makes it look like an original painting, and it adds texture and brushwork to the surface of your art print or photographic print. And we're also going to mount it onto a panel, and you can mount it on canvas panel or a wooden panel, whichever you prefer. The method I'm going to show you works with both types of panels. So let's get started.
First, I want to make sure my panel is the right size for my print, and we'll need an X-Acto knife and a metal straight edge ruler. I lay the panel onto the front side of my print and mark it off with a pencil. This is where I will be trimming the print to fit the panel. Using the gloss gel medium and a soft bristle brush, apply the gel medium liberally to the front of the panel. And take your time aligning the print to the front of the panel. It may take a couple of tries. I do like using the soft rubber brayer. It does roll gently and softly over the print, eliminating any air bubbles. It's important to check the edges as I'm doing here, and I notice that there's still a little gap between the print and the panel. And I add a little bit more gel medium into the gap between the print and the panel. If you don't happen to have the sprayer tool, you can use an old credit card. Just be sure to have a light and gentle touch. Now it looks really good, and I do like to apply the gel medium to the back side of my panel, whether it's wooden or canvas. This provides a seal in case any moisture ever came in contact with it. And of course, you'll allow the back side to dry before we move on to the next step. Now the fun part, adding texture using the gloss gel medium with palette knives and a soft bristle brush. I like to apply the gel medium to the entire surface using a cross-hatch application. I apply the gel medium using the palette knife, following the movement of the painting, the strokes, the feathers, mimicking the same energy as when the painting was originally painted. I have been asked by people before if you can use decoupage rather than the gloss gel medium, and honestly, I don't recommend it. I much prefer using a product designed to be used with artwork that's archival and will not yellow over time. So now that it's dry, let's take a look at this mark making. You can see the strokes that I made with not just the brush, but also the palette knife.
So here's the finished art print. I think it looks really beautiful, and I'm super happy with it. It has a beautiful glossy sheen. You can actually see the brushwork, the palette knife work, and it is a beautiful presentation. Now, if you participate in art shows, this is a really wonderful technique to do and offer your clients this option of a hand embellished art print. They really do love it, and they love that it looks like an original painting. So thanks so much for joining me. If you found this video helpful, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any ideas for future videos, just leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Take care, everyone. Bye.